Welcome back to SAS Beast Pro. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: 7 Grammarly settings on PC you're using wrong. If you've ever felt like Grammarly isn't giving you the results you want, or you're just not getting the most out of it, this video is for you. We'll walk through each setting step by step, explain why it matters, and show you how to optimize your writing for speed, clarity, and accuracy. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Set audience goals. One of the most overlooked features in Grammarly is setting your audience goals. This is powerful because it allows Grammarly to tailor suggestions based on who will be reading your content, ensuring your message lands exactly how you intend. Whether you're writing for a casual blog or a professional report, this adjustment changes everything. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Grammarly editor in your browser by visiting appgrammarly.com. This is the starting point where all your documents live. Step 2. Open the document you want to work on. You can paste new content or continue editing existing files. Step 3. Click the Goals button at the top of the editor. This is where the magic begins. Step 4. Under Audience, select General, Knowledgeable, or Expert depending on who you're writing for. Picking the right audience ensures the suggestions match their level of understanding. Step 5. Under Formality, choose Informal, Neutral, or Formal based on the tone of your document. This keeps your writing aligned with your intended style. Step 6. For premium or business users, under Domain, select the type of document: business, email, academic, or creative writing. This fine-tunes Grammarly's advice even further. Step 7. Under Intent, choose what your writing should achieve: inform, describe, or convince. This shapes the overall structure of Grammarly's suggestions. Step 8. Click Apply or simply close the Goals pop-up. Step 9. Grammarly will now adjust suggestions for clarity, tone, vocabulary, and readability based on all the choices you just made. You'll immediately notice the difference in how accurate and relevant the corrections feel. Number 2. Disable Launch at Startup. Some people don't realize that Grammarly automatically opening every time you turn on your computer can slow things down and clutter your system tray. Disabling this setting keeps your startup clean and ensures Grammarly only runs when you actually need it, saving both time and resources. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the Grammarly app on your PC, or if it's already running in the background, simply right-click the Grammarly icon in your system tray to access quick options. Step 2. Click on Settings to open the full menu of customization options where all your preferences are stored. Step 3. Scroll slowly down to the Customization section. This area contains the switches that control how Grammarly behaves on your device. Step 4. Locate the option labeled Launch at Startup. This is the main switch that determines whether Grammarly opens automatically when your computer starts. Step 5. Toggle this switch off to completely stop Grammarly from launching automatically. This will prevent it from using resources in the background. Step 6. Close the Grammarly app completely to make sure the changes are saved. Step 7. Restart your computer so the new setting takes full effect and your system can start fresh without unnecessary apps running. Step 8. After restarting, double-check that Grammarly no longer opens automatically. This small tweak can noticeably improve your PC's startup speed and overall performance. Number 3. Change English dialect. If you're writing for an international audience or just prefer a certain style of English, changing the dialect is essential. It ensures spelling, grammar, and word choice are consistent and appropriate for your readers. It also prevents embarrassing mistakes like color versus color depending on your audience. Let's do it. Step 1. Open Grammarly in your preferred web browser and make sure you are logged into your account so all settings are applied properly. Step 2. Paste in or open any document you want to edit. It can be a new file, a draft, or even something you're revising. Step 3. Click the hamburger menu icon on the left side of the editor, which will give you access to additional settings and preferences. Step 4. Scroll down carefully until you see Language Preferences, the area where you can select your English variant. Step 5. Choose the English dialect that best suits your audience. American, British, Canadian, or Australian. This ensures Grammarly checks your spelling, grammar, and word choice according to the style you need. Step 6. Grammarly will immediately update suggestions based on your selection. From this point forward, all future corrections and recommendations will follow the chosen dialect, keeping your text professional and consistent. Number 4. Disable auto jump. Auto jump might seem helpful at first, but it can actually interrupt your flow. Disabling this feature lets you review suggestions at your own pace, without Grammarly constantly shifting focus, giving you full control over the editing process. Alright, here's how. Step 1. Open Grammarly in your browser and load the document you want to edit, whether it's a draft, a blog post, or an email. Step 2. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the editor to access the menu that contains additional editing and configuration options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Editor Settings to open the panel that allows you to adjust how Grammarly interacts with your text. Step 4. Scroll down carefully to locate Auto Jump to Next Suggestion, the toggle that controls whether Grammarly jumps automatically after each correction. Step 5. Toggle this option, off to stop Grammarly from automatically moving to the next suggestion. This allows you to review edits thoughtfully one by one without losing your place or focus. Number 5. Turn off. Generative AI. Generative AI is great for some users, but if you want full control over your writing style, turning it off is key. This prevents Grammarly from suggesting AI-generated text and lets you focus on your own words, ideas, and tone. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open Grammarly.com in your web browser and log into your account to ensure your personal settings are accessible. Step 2. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Settings to open the menu where you can customize Grammarly's features according to your preferences. Step 4. Open the Feature Customization tab. This section controls optional tools like the Generative AI suggestions. Step 5. Under Generative AI, locate the toggle switch and turn it off. This disables AI-generated writing prompts and suggestions. Step 6. Grammarly will now stop offering AI-generated suggestions, allowing you to write fully in your own style without any automated influence. Number 6. Run Plagiarism Check. Ensuring your content is original is critical, especially if you're producing academic, professional, or online content. Grammarly's Plagiarism Checker scans your text and compares it to billions of sources, helping you avoid accidental duplication and maintain credibility. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Grammarly in your browser and start a new document or open an existing one you want to analyze. Step 2. Paste or type the text you want to check for originality, ensuring everything you need reviewed is included. Step 3. Click Correct with Assistant in the upper right corner. This activates Grammarly's full suite of analysis tools for grammar, tone, and originality. Step 4. Click Check for AI text and plagiarism to initiate a detailed scan that compares your writing to other published sources online. Step 5. Carefully review the results and suggested edits provided by Grammarly. Keep in mind that a subscription is required for full access, but even partial results can highlight areas to double-check for originality. Number 7. Skip quoted text. When your text contains citations, quotes, or dialogue, you don't want Grammarly flagging them unnecessarily. Enabling this setting ensures that all quoted material stays untouched, making editing faster and reducing unnecessary corrections. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open your document in the Grammarly editor, making sure all text is fully loaded so settings can be applied correctly. Step 2. Click the 3 lines in the top right corner to access the menu for editor options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Editor Settings to bring up the Customization panel. Step 4. Scroll carefully to locate the option labeled Don't Check Text Inside Quotes, which controls how Grammarly handles quoted content. Step 5. Toggle this option, On to skip all quoted text, keeping your original quotes, citations, and dialogues safe from unwanted corrections, while improving the speed of your editing workflow. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you unlock the full power of Grammarly. Don't forget to subscribe to SAS Beast Pro for more expert writing hacks, tech tips, and productivity boosters.